a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, central York County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, south-central Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m.
That could be coming right for us.
At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elizabethtown, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Hershey, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Liddix, Middletown, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, New Holland, Manheim, East Petersburg, Akron, Lella, Paradise, Solunga, Landisville, Maytown, Rothville, Strasburg, and Mountsville. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 248 to 269. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lancaster, and Lebanon.
Alright, now SVR for not for God, they'll have